Welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly, and you found me here on Pick and Stitches. And today I have another unboxing from the Fat Quarter Shop. I am not 100% sure what this one is. I think it might be the next dragon fruit box block. And spoiler alert, I am behind. I haven't done the second tutorial yet. So I'm going to light a fire and get this going. So let's jump in and see if this is block number 3. Okay, guys, I've said it before. This has been a really busy month, and I am finally starting to get caught up on things, but I am a little bit behind on some of my projects. Anybody feel like that this time of year? Christmas shopping and kids' recitals and all of that stuff, it just adds up and takes extra time. So, yay, it is. It is. Maybe I'll do that later this weekend. Just get month 2 and month 3 blocks finished on our Tula Pink dragon fruit quilt. If you haven't started trying any of the foundation paper piecing, I was really resistant. I didn't like to buy something that was kind of a consumable, if you will. Once you buy it, you use it in your quilt, then it's gone and you need to buy it again the next time you make it. However, it did make my blocks really precise. And I tried it with a different sew along a couple years ago or a year ago, and I really just love it, guys. So I would suggest maybe just giving it a try, maybe just buying like one pad and doing like the square and a square or something that's something you're definitely going to continue to use, and see if you like the way that process comes together. But I really enjoy it. Anyways, enough paddling on about that. Let's look at the fabrics. These are lots of oranges and golds. I love it. So we have 4 more blocks this month. This is month 3. There's lots of reds and peaches. I say reds. Red's not quite the right term, but let me get you guys a close-up of all of our fabrics here. We're also going to use the flying goose paper this month, which I always have made my flying geese with the 4 at a time method. I say always. I've tried a couple different methods, but I've always enjoyed the 4 at a time best. So I have not tried the one with the foundation paper piecing. So this is going to be a first for me, and we'll see if we maybe like it better. And it'll be a good comparison to see how our waste, if we waste less fabric with that route versus our other one. So let's jump in and I'll show you all the fabrics. Okay, guys, so these are the blocks that we're going to be making this month. Aren't they just lovely? So we've got another set that's going to be very similar to what we've done in the past. And then we've got our square and a square and our economy block. And then this time we're going to be doing the flying goose. So I am super excited to be working with those papers, but look at all these beautiful fabrics. I'm so excited to be checking them out. I feel like the ones we've had in the last couple of months have had a lot of green, and I do not see there's very little green in these fabrics today. So we've got a really nice kind of purple and salmony pink stripe. And then we've got this great floral. And again, this is probably not what I would sew a really traditional quilt with. So I just love that I'm getting to kind of play around with some fabrics that are a little outside of my wheelhouse. But I think it's going to be a really fun way when we get the whole quilt together. This is still one of my favorite prints of hers is this one. I do like it in almost every color that I have seen it in so far. And this quilt is just going to be fabulous, you guys. I mean, when is the last time you sewed with purple? I know Miss Kimberly over at Fat Quarter Shop, that's really not her favorite color, but this is so fun. And look at how beautifully those tie together. I'm super excited. And this is another one of those. I don't know that I would ever pair these two hues together. And this is why I'm not a fabric designer, because I would not, but it looks great. We've got another of the wood grain. So we're kind of seeing a theme. We've had the wood grain now in a dark green and a light green, and now in these 2 tones as well. And my favorite we're going to get my favorite print times 3 in this bundle. So we've got the pink one, the peach one, and then we're going to have a cream again. I'm going to have so much leftover little scraps for paper piecing. This is going to be fun too. That's a cute little polka dot. And then we've got more of this cream with the guess those are swallows. I always wanted to say they were bluebirds, but I think they're swallows. Heidi, please stop. And then we've got our little orange dot here at the end. So I'm really excited to be checking these out, guys. I will get you some good close-up pictures because I know sometimes on camera it doesn't show up that well. So let's take a peek. Okay, guys, that's it for month 3 of our dragon fruit block of the month from the Tula Pink with Fat Quarter Shop sew along. I will be getting the tutorial out for this month as well as month 2 shortly, so please keep your eye out for that. If you do like watching any of these unboxing videos or any of my other tutorials, please do hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me out a ton. And until then, I will see you guys next time.